Hello students and welcome to the video class of the chapter permutation and combination. Last class we discussed the whole concepts of the chapter permutation. Today we are going to discuss the new concept, that is combination, where combination is used and how it is used. Now, actually what do you mean by combination? What is actual mean by combination? The chapter name is what? The topic is combination. Combination. Actually, what do you mean by combination? Combination is what? Combination is means what? Means selection. 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 Okay. For example, how many selections? How many selections can be done? Three letters A comma B comma C, taking two letters at a time. The answer is what? The answer is, that is solutions, that is AB, either AB, BC, SC. Here AB is equal to BA in case of selection, but in case of permutation, AB and BA are different. So number of selection is what? Number of selection is 3. Number of selection is 3. From this example, let's define combination. Definition of combination. The selection of different things, selection of different things, taking some or all at a time is called combination. Combinations. Now, what is the uses of combination? Types of combination, that is formation of what? Formation of committee, formation of team, and how to count the number of straight line formed using the points, etc. Okay, some geometrical concept. Now let's discuss about one theorem, that is selection of r things taking selection of n things taking r at a time. Theorem is what? Selection of r things, that is theorem 1. The number of combination or selection, the number of selections of n different things, taking r at a time is denoted by the symbol NCR or C of n comma r, and NCR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. That is number of selection taking r at a time. Number of selection of n things taking r at a time is equal to NCR. That is formula is what? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial, where 0 less than equal to r less than equal to n. This is formula to calculate number of selections of n things taking r at a time. Now proof of this theorem. There are n things there are n different things. We have to arrange taking r at a time. We have to arrange taking r at a time. Suppose there are x number of selections. So arrangement of each selection is what? Arrangement of each selections is equal to r factorial, because it contains r number of things. So total number of arrangement is equal to what? Total number of arrangement means what? Arrangement of one selection into total number of selection, that is x. So total number of arrangement of n things taking r at a time is given by formula 1 NPR. So NPR is equal to what? R factorial into x. Now x is equal to what? Now x is equal to NPR by r factorial. Now what is x is equal to what? What is x? X means number of selections means what? NCR is equal to NPR means n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. This is r factorial. This is proof of the formula NCR. Now some calculation regarding NCR. Calculation of NC1, NC2, NC3, etc. Now values of, that is NC0 is equal to 1, NCn is equal to 1. Now NC1 is equal to 1, NC2 is equal to what? NC2 means to n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial. NC3 is equal to 3 terms here. First n minus 1, then n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial. NC4 means 4 terms, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 divided by 4 factorial, etc. You can prove this formula using NCR formula. Now suppose you have to calculate NC2. Suppose NC2. Now check it. NC2 suppose. NC2 means formula is what? Formula is NCR. NCR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So NC2 means what? N factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So n factorial means what? We can write n minus 2 factorial into n minus 1 into n divided by what? N minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So n minus 2 factorial goes cancel, that is n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial. Okay, we can prove other values. Now some theorems. Theorems based on what? NCR. Some theorems. Some results are based on what? Some result based on NCR. Results based on NCR. So NC first theorem, that is what? NC proof here. Proof of one. NC x is equal to NC y. Obviously here that implies x is equal to y. Second proof, that is NCR is equal to NCn minus NC n minus r. Now left hand side is what? Left hand side is equal to NCR. What is the formula? Formula means what? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Now right hand side is what? Right hand side NC n minus r. So n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into what? Into n minus r factorial. So this is n factorial divided by n minus n cancel plus r factorial into what? This is r factorial. NCR into first left hand side NCR is equal to what? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. NC n minus r, this factorial divided by same concept here. So r factorial into n minus r factorial. This result and this result are equal. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is proof number 2. Now proof number 3. Proof number 3. NC x is equal to NC y. Proof number 3. NC x is equal to NC y. If x not equal to y, then n is equal to x plus y. NC x is equal to proof, that is proof of 3. Proof of 3. What? NC x is equal to NC if, that is given NC x is equal to NC y. X not equal to y. So what happens here? We know we can write NC x, we can write NC x is equal to, by previous property, NC n minus x. So property number 2. So this can be written as what? NC n minus x is equal to NC y. Now property number 1, this is property number 2. Property 2. By property number 1, what? First property. These two are equal. So here n minus x is equal to what? Y. That implies n minus x is equal to y, or n is equal to x plus y. N is equal to x plus y. Now this is property number 3. Now proof of this is property 3. Now proof of property number 4. Proof of property number 4. Proof of property number 4. That is 4 property proof. NCR, left hand side NCR plus NC r minus 1. This is left hand side. We have to prove, that is n plus 1 CR. What is formula for NCR? That is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. And what is NCR minus 1? This is n factorial divided by n minus r n minus what? N minus r minus 1. That is n minus r minus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial. Now simplify this. This is n factorial divided by what? N minus r factorial into r factorial plus n factorial divided by n minus r plus 1 factorial minus r minus 1 factorial minus एठी देखो कॉमन कोन बाहर, दैट इज एलसीएम कोन बाहर, कॉमन कोन बाहर लिखले हे जोची ना एलसीएम होची देखो n minus r बडो ना ये बडो, दिस इज ग्रेटर. तो r factorial के तास एलसीएम दा, दैट इज r factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial LCM बाहर कौन पाई ना 7 factorial 8 factorial थिले LCM टा केते 8 factorial होछ हला सती में n minus r to 1 ग्रेटर होछ n minus r plus 1. तो 7 factorial 8 factorial LCM टा केते होछ 8 factorial. सो एटी कोन होछ n minus r factorial LCM हो r factorial r to 1 अधिक, तो एती हबो. तो दिस इज डिवाइड करले केता होछ एटी ना n minus r plus 1 को एटा डिवाइड करबा केते ए डिवाइड करले केता आसी ए टर्म को r कैंसिल हे जबो आ रहिबो केते n minus r plus 1 1 रहिबो तो रहिबो that is what n minus r plus 1 or we may take common नले भी हबो देखो common नै कित करि परिया ना n factorial एटा ब्रेक कर दबा n factorial common नबा n factorial divide by केते n minus r factorial into r factorial r टा छोटो होजी तो r factorial into r लिखि पले चलिबो तो n factorial divide by केते ये ग्रेटर अछि लार्जर टर्म टा तो n minus r factorial into what n minus r plus 1 लिखिले चलिबो दैट इज r minus 1 factorial तो कॉमन कोन बाहर देखडी कॉमन दैट इज n factorial divide by कॉमन बाहरची n minus r factorial into r minus 1 factorial एति कॉमन बाहरियो तो रहिला रेकर्ड देखडी ना 1 by r plus 1 by n minus r plus 1 एटा सिंपलीफाई करो तो केता होसी तो n factorial divide by n minus r factorial into r minus 1 factorial LCM आसीबो r into n minus r plus 1 एटा n minus r plus 1 plus r तो plus r minus r कैंसिल हला तो व्हाट हैपेंस हियर now come to this side n factorial by n minus r factorial into r minus 1 factorial r minus 1 factorial side रे अछि केते n plus 1 into r into n minus r plus 1 तो अरेंज करिबाटी n factorial n plus that is n plus 1 factorial divide by n minus r factorial into n minus r plus 1 गोटे एटा गोटे करिबा and r minus 1 factorial into r so what happens here that is n plus 1 factorial divide by n minus r plus 1 factorial into what r factorial or this can be written as what n plus 1 factorial divide by n plus 1 minus r factorial into what into r factorial this is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial by r. So this can be written as what n plus 1 cr which is equal to right hand side. This is proof of question number what proof of result number 4. Now proof of result number 5. Now proof of result number 5. Proof of result number 5. Proof of result number 5. Now proof to prove that is to prove NCR divided by NC n minus r is equal to n minus r plus 1 by r. Very easy. Now left hand side NCR divided by NC n minus r. Now apply the formula for NCR. What is formula for NCR? That is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So formula apply formula that is what n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into what into r factorial whole divided by n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into what n minus r factorial that is what sorry this is NCR divided by what left hand side is NCR minus 1 sorry this is r minus 1 this is r minus 1 so n factorial divided by what n minus r minus 1 factorial into what r minus 1 factorial so calculate this is equal to what n factorial goes cancel this term rest that is comes to numerator, that is n minus r plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So this is smaller and this is larger, so this will be what? N minus r plus 1, that is n minus r factorial into what? N minus r plus 1, and this is what? This is n minus r, this is what? N minus r, okay. So this is r minus 1 factorial divided by n minus r factorial, and this is r minus 1 factorial into r. So this term goes cancel, this term this goes cancel, so remaining is what? N minus r plus 1 by r. This is property number 5. Now some other properties and problems. Some questions related to the formula NCR. If find n if 2nC3 is to nC2 is equal to 12:1. Solution of first question, that is what? Solution 2nC3 by solution of first question, that is nC2 is equal to 12/1. So what is formula for 2nC3? That is 2n factorial by 2n minus 3 factorial whole divided by what? nC2. nC2 means n factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial. Here that is what? 3 factorial here 2 factorial is equal to 12/1. So this can be written as what? 2n minus 3 factorial into 2n minus 2 factorial into what? 2n minus 1 factorial, sorry, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 1 into 2n whole divided by, and this will be what? N minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial whole divided by, this is what? 2n minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial, sorry, into n factorial is equal to 12/1. So 2n minus 3 factorial divided by this cancel. Now this is n factorial. N factorial means what? Take 2 common here, that implies 2 into n minus 1, and this is 2n minus 1, and this is 2n, and this is n minus 2 factorial, here n factorial, this is n factorial. So n minus 2 factorial, now 2 factorial means 2 divided by 3 factorial means what? 2 factorial, 2 into 3, and n factorial means n minus 2 factorial into n minus 1 into n is equal to what? 12, is equal to 12. So 2 to cancel, n minus 1 cancel, n cancel, and that is what? 2, there is 6, that is what? That is n into n cancel here, and n minus 2 here. So this will be what? 2n minus 1 into n minus 2 into 4 by n minus 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial goes cancel here, n minus 4 2 factorial cancel here. So remaining is what? Remaining is 2n minus 1 into what? 2 to 4. 4 divide by what? Divide by 3 is equal to 12. Okay, so now cancel this. 4 3 12, that is what? 2n minus 1 is equal to 9, that implies 2n is equal to 10, that implies n is equal to 5. So value of n is equal to 5 here. Value of n is equal to 5. Now second question. Solution of question number 2. Solution of question number 2. Solution of question number 2. NPR is equal to 1680 and NCR is equal to 70. What is formula for NPR? That is n factorial divided by what? N factorial divided by, or we can write NPR by NCR. That is what? We know NPR is equal to R factorial into NCR. So this is equal to what? NPR means 1680, R factorial into NCR is equal to what? 70. So R factorial equal to what? R factorial equal to 1680 by 70. Cancel here, that is 24. R factorial equal to 24 and R factorial equal to what? 4 factorial, and R is equal to 4. Now we have to find value of n. Now this is R. Now value of n. We know NPR, or given NPR is equal to what? Given NPR is equal to NPR is equal to 1680. So NPR means what? R means 4 is equal to 1680. Now NP4 means n factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial is equal to 1680. That is n minus 4 factorial into what? N minus 3, n minus 2, n minus 1, n by n minus 4 factorial is equal to 1680. So n minus 4 factor cancel here. So remaining is what? N minus 3, n minus 2, n minus 1 into n is equal to, break the number 1680 as product of 4 consecutive numbers. That is what? Rough here 1680. Product of this is what? Gradual increase. So this is 2, 16 means what? 840, and this is what? 2, 420, and again 2, 10, and again what? 2, 105, and again 3. 3 means that is 3 and 5, 35, and this is 3 and 5, this is 7. Arrange as the product of 4 consecutive numbers. एमती 1680 को अरेंज करवा सीटा प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 4 सीरियल नंबर अच्छे. देख आम 7 मिलगला, यहाँ 6 होगला, 5 मिलगला, यहाँ 8 होगला. तो सान रु बड़ अच्छे ना नहीं, तो यहाँ लिखिपारि सान रु बड़, ये सान तापर बड़ 5, into 6 into 7 into 8. That is n is equal to what? N is equal to 8. N is equal to 8. Okay. N is equal to what? N is equal to 8. N is equal to 8 here. The answer is what? N equal to 8. Now solution of question number 3. Solution of question number 3. Solution of question number 3. RC5, find RC5. 8C R is equal to 8C. That is solution of 3. 8C R is equal to 8C R plus 2. We know NCX is equal to NCY. If x not equal to y, then n is equal to x plus y. Here, that is x r not equal to r plus 2. So 18 is equal to what? R plus 2. That implies 18 is equal to 2r plus 2. That is 2r is equal to what? 16. So r is equal to what? R is equal to 8. Clear? That is 18 minus 2, 16. 2r equal to 16. R equal to 8. Now we have to find RC5. RC5 means what? RC5 means 8C5. 8C5 is equal to 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 5 factorial into what? 5 factorial. So 8 factorial means that is 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 5 factorial. So this will be what? 5 factorial into 6 into 7 into 8 divided by 3 factorial into 5 factorial. So 5 factorial goes cancel. 3 factorial means what? 6. So this goes cancel. That is 56. That is 56. Now some questions. That is another question. Now one important property, that is R into NCR is equal to N into N minus R, N minus 1, CR minus 1. Now proof of this property. Proof. Left hand side. Left hand side is what? R into NCR. That implies R into N factorial divided by N minus R factorial. N minus R factorial. So this can be written as R into, and this is R factorial, N minus R into R factorial. Okay, so this can be written as what? This can be written as N factorial, that is what? N into N minus 1 factorial, or you can write N minus 1 factorial into N divided by N minus R factorial into R factorial means what? R minus 1 factorial into R. So R cancel. So this is what? N factorial. This is N into what? N minus 1 factorial. We can write here N minus 1 plus 1 minus R. Balance this, plus 1 minus 1 factorial, and this is R minus 1 factorial. Now this can be written as N into N minus 1 factorial, N minus 1 factorial divided by N minus 1 minus what? R minus 1. R minus 1 factorial into R minus 1 factorial. So this is equal to what? This is equal to n into this term, bracket term is what? N minus 1 C R minus 1. This is right hand side. This is right hand side. Now this is homework for you. Find n if NC8 is to n minus 2p4 is equal to 57 is to 16. Find n, then show that, another question, show that 4nC2n is to 2nCn is equal to 135 dot dot 4n minus 1 is to 135 dot dot 2n minus 1 whole square. These are two questions homework for you. Next video we will discuss more questions regarding the chapter combination. Okay. Now another question homework, that is other questions for homework. Other questions for homework. Now homework question, another question. Calculate 47C4 plus sigma j equal to 1 to what? J equal to 1 to 52. 1 to 52 minus j C3. Calculate this. And another question, if NPR is equal to, another question, that is what? 2nC3 is to find n if 2nC3 is to nC3 is equal to 44 is to 5. Okay. Now another question, that is what? Calculate NC0 plus find NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 dot dot up to NCn. These are questions homework for you. Now at last it is apply the formula for NCR formula, and this is what? NCR formula, and this is property. This per hint, the property is what? NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR. Use this property here, apply NCR formula here. Okay, apply NCR formula here, and this is very important result. So work it. In next class we will discuss some more problems. Thank you. Have a nice day.